sometimes I had to say, can Arjun Reddy leave the room so Kabir Singh can enter this room? Because it's just so difficult. How do you understand? It's so difficult for a filmmaker who's created a character which is so close to their heart to give it to another actor, that insecurity of what if this actor doesn't understand what I need, or what if this actor makes it something it's not because he wants to do it his way. So it's very difficult to find that balance. And it's very challenging. And I really feel this version of Jersey is it's very different from the original. I mean, when you see the film, you'll understand it's the same story, but when the character changes, when the milieu changes, we've taken this film to Chandigarh. So he's a Punjabi guy. We've brought a lot of small changes. She's playing a character who's from down south. She's playing a Telugu girl in the film. So that relationship is very different. The way this character behaves, the way his angst comes through, the way he hides his pain is very different from the original, And I think that's something I realized after I did a couple of remakes, that, once the actor changes and once the cultural milieu changes, the language changes, if it's the same, you're probably doing something wrong because it's not going to land for that audience and for that culture. You have to bring authenticity to that story for the backdrop that you're placing it against and for the person that you're creating. So I think this Arjun, and it's strange, but yeah, I think this Arjun is very different from the other Arjun. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I think I'm very thankful that Gautam was very, he was very happy with me trying to bring something fresh to it. And I'm always afraid, right? Because I always would ask him, I hope it's not going somewhere wrong. And he allowed me to express myself a certain way. And actually, it was really difficult for him. So it was easy for me, right? It's the first time I'm doing it. And maybe this question is more relevant to Gautam as how it is to make the same film in a different language with a different actor and then do it all over again.
Yeah, right. One second. Gautam, if you can answer the question that...
when I met Shahid Kapoor for the first time, about doing...
So you've not called me Shahid Kapoor for so long, that felt very strange.
I'm not addressing...
Please don't call me Shahid Kapoor, so that felt very strange.
Yeah, when I met Shahid sir for the first time, when we were discussing about doing this film, doing the same film again, our idea is not to remake, as he said. We want to rediscard the main character and tell the story to wider number of audience in a different way. My approach to directing is not to, my approach to direction is not to tell the actors how to act, what to do and stuff like that. I talk to them more. And I want the actor to find a character in the space of the film. So that's what helped this film to turn out to be much more original in its own way. I did a similar approach when I was working with Nani sir. So I had to talk to him as much as possible about the character, the backstory, how it is. And I want the actor to find his character in that space of the film. So I worked on both the films. For me, they seem like two different films, two different versions, and I'm fortunate I can do that.
Arvind sir, straight ahead, Russell here again. Arvind sir, hi. So there was a time, and a lot of collaborations used to happen. We saw movies like Giraftar, where Amitabh Bachchan, Rajnikant, Kamal Hassan used to come together. Even Chiranjeevi has done movies with Juhi Chawla. Considering you are such a big producer, and now boundaries have erased, any plans of doing a big project where, say, you have a big star like Shahid and along with Allu Arjun together in a movie? What about plans like that?
Not exactly the same, but I have big plans. But this occasion has to be limited to this because I want Jersey to, if I announce that will become a news. So let me hold it for some more time.
Hi Shahid. Hi Shahid.
Answer from these are right. One second. Can we have a question from this side, please? Can somebody take this microphone?
Shahid.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah.
Shahid, first of all, I want to know if South has been a lucky charm for you because Kabir Singh, definitely, you did a movie. Being in a Bollywood, find the South copy remake made you a boost a lot in Kabir Singh. And
मैं क्या एक सेकंड में तारीफ करके खत्म कर देना. साउथ ब्लॉकबस्टर कॉपी रीमेक.
No,
एक लाइन में
I
मैं
mean-
ऊपर गया और मैं वैसे नीचे
No,
एकदम
no,
जमीन
पहले
पर.
पहले भी आपकी अलग चार्मिंग थी, अलग अंदाज था, पर कबीर सिंह में आपका पूरा अंदाज बदल दिया.
जी.
सबका माइंडसेट बदल दिया कि नहीं, शाहिद कैन डू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ रोल एंड ही इज अ प्रॉमिसिंग एक्टर राइट नाउ. सो आपको लगता है कि साउथ एंड व्हाई वुड साउथ रीमेक, मतलब अगेन
यार ये तो बार बार साउथ बोल रहे हैं ना, ये बड़ा ऑफेंसिव है. साउथ में ना बड़े सारे स्टेट्स होते हैं. To be specific about which I have, this is my second Telugu
Second, yeah.
remake, right?
Telugu.
This is a Telugu remake,
Yeah.
yeah. So,
So,
yeah.
And your next two films are not that.
Yeah, sir, they are north.
Yeah.
Next two film
you want to
north.
tell about that?
Sorry?
Those movies, next two movies.
I'll come again. You don't want to meet me again.
Okay, I'd like to meet you. Again, one more question, Puna. You have been like Tufan आपने किया. You have been a very sports lover. You are a basketball player, definitely, and you are now again cricket. Yeah. So how much the sports has been a part of life? And recently you met David Beckham. We would like to know that about that. So whole your journey, how sports has been a part of your life, and how you're much involved into it. How this helps you in terms of movie also in your whole career part.
Not many of them know, but I used to play cricket with my brother, and I used to go watch match, the World Cups, and we used to fly when T20 started. So I remember going to Kolkata because we were supporting the team, and then it was a very overwhelming experience to even sit in the stadium and watching your team play. And I never, everything has a circle, right? Everything goes around, comes around. I never knew that, when I first watched Jersey, I knew it that I'm going to play Vidya. But how? It's very difficult. I was really scared. But for the love of cricket, आप लोग अग्री करोगे कि क्रिकेट तो हमारे रग रग में बसता है, करेक्ट? सो शायद उसी के लिए. और रही बात तूफान की, तो वो भी एक अलग जर्नी है, ये भी बहुत अलग जर्नी है. आपने देखा ही होगा ट्रेलर में. और विद्या ज़्यादा सपोर्ट नहीं करती है अर्जुन को, लेकिन मृणाल क्रिकेट को और शायद
कहानी मत बता.
बहुत सपोर्ट करती है. सो या
Hi Shahid, Himesh this side from Pinkvilla. Shahid towards your left.
Hey guys, there's a question that I have already.
शायद फैदा दिस फ्रॉम बी सर
भाई,
और आपसे
इनको पहले मैं बोल चुका हूँ. I'll come to you after this. She has a question.
So how much cricket have you played during your younger days, and how much did you have to brush for the film on your cricket?
I got brushed, ma'am. I was brushed on the floor. I used to be lying broken everywhere. To answer your question, I have played a lot of cricket when I was in school. I used to play for my school team, which was pretty useless. We never made it anywhere, but I was still on the team. Yeah, exactly. So it came handy finally, right? But at that time, like, any team could beat us. But I still made the team. So I felt कि मेरे को cricket खेलना आता है, and I was like, ये वाली तो मैं कर सकता हूँ. मैं cricket खेला है, and I forgot that it has been 25 years since I played cricket in school and whatever. So when we started playing cricket, I realized that there's a lot of work to do, and playing with a season ball, and I'm 40 now, so बहुत दर्द होती है यार. Everything starts hurting, and you're not a 21-year-old kid who can just pick up a bat and go play cricket. It's a completely different skill, and cricket is the most popular sport in this country. And most of our sporting icons are coming from cricket. So we take our cricket very seriously. I take my cricket very seriously. So, I was very critical of myself, and I was never happy. I'm still not happy with what I've done and the cricket I've played. But so I practiced for about 4 months. I played cricket for 4 months. And then I played cricket again for 2.5 months when we restarted the film. And the one thing that I will say very proudly, there is no shot in this film which has been played without a season ball. We have first of all had no CG shots in this film. Everything is played with a real ball. Me and Gautam, much to the frustration of everybody else on the set, okay, because we were shooting in Mohali, okay, and the boundaries are big in Mohali. Ask any cricketer whether Mohali is a big stadium, they'd say बहुत बड़ा boundary है, ठीक है. And we would not okay a shot if a 4 doesn't cross the boundary and if a 6 doesn't cross the rope. We would not okay that shot. So we worked very, very hard to bring authenticity to the sport part of this film, I would not say this is, this, how do I explain it? I mean, it's a sports drama, but I mean, it's actually the journey of these characters with the backdrop of cricket. I think that's how I would like to put it, because at the forefront of it is the journey of these characters, and actually the journey of the human spirit and the triumph of the human spirit. And what this film talks about is that you should just chase your dreams. I've been doing that since I was 20 years old. I never thought I'll be an actor. I never thought I'll be sitting here in this position, wearing these nice clothes, with people who have so much money funding my films, and girls who are 10 years younger than me smiling away wanting to work with me. So I think I've done really well for myself, and I never thought I'll be here. So it's amazing, and you should always chase your dreams, and it's never too late. Age is never a barrier, and this film is about that. And so for me, this is a subject that's very close to my heart. If I can say so, it's my favorite film yet.
Hi Shahid, Himesh this side from Pinkvilla.
यार वो एक सेकंड लैंड तो कर दे, मैंने इतनी बड़ी बात बोल दी. It's my favorite film yet. हाँ वो ठीक है, आप सुन मेरा अगला सवाल यार, है ना? Don't get emotional and all, don't make big statements यार. मैं बहुत देर से सुरेंद्र, this is all your fault.
I don't even
लोगों
know.
को रुकाएगा ना.
वो माइक उनके पास कैसे पहुंच रहा है?
तू इस साइड क्यों खड़ा है? तो थोड़ी देर उस साइड भी जाना. इस साइड खड़े होके तू उस साइड.
पहले सांस ले.
बैंड बजा रहे हैं.
पहले सांस ले.
देखा चला गया.
Get a mic and say that though. What's the point of it?
यार माइक ना एक बार मेरे को बता दो किसको दे रहे हो. हाँ.
So I have
खड़े हो जाओ.
I have two questions.
अब वो मेरी बैंड बजाएगा, तू उसकी बैंड बजाएगा, वो तेरे से अपसेट होगा, उसका फ्रस्ट्रेशन.
मैं पहले सवाल सुन लूं उससे. Okay.
2 स्टार देगा मेरे ट्रेलर को. To be nice to them.
Hey bro, what's your question?
I have two questions, one for Shahid and one for Aman.
Please ask Aman first.
Okay.
Aman is dying to talk. He's a Punjabi. कब से वेट कर रहा है. कल रात से उसने मुझे मैसेज कर दिया, तू स्टेज पे देख, मैंने सब बोल देना है, स्टेज पे आके चुप. I am also playing a character like this only.
So Aman, firstly, how would you define your journey? Like you said, you were a marketing head at the time of Jab We Met, and now you're producing a film for Shahid. How do you view that?
He was not a marketing head at the time of Jab We Met. He was in the marketing team. तब ये start किया था, bottom line से start किया, has made it all the way here to today. So started from the bottom.
Journey's been great. Like Shahid said, I've known him for over 14-15 years. Allu sir, we did Gajni, we did Jab We Met together. So everybody knows, everybody's familiar.
मतलब तूने एक भी flop नहीं दिया. You're the only guy on this platform who's never given a flop. Suddenly इसने बोला Jab We Met, and then Gajni, and now we're doing Chelsea. He's the most successful guy on this stage. You just didn't know about him yet.
And we did Urta Punjab together.
We successful हो गई.
So worked various companies and now branched out individually. I'm thankful to Allu sir, who gave me a call after watching Jersey and said, I still remember the day, it was a Tuesday, I was in the gym in the morning, and he said, Aman, can you come to Hyderabad? I said, sir, what happened? He said, एक picture आई है called Jersey and I want you to see it. I said, ये बॉम्बे में लगी है, मैं यहाँ जाके देख लेता हूँ. He said, okay, but you need to see it now. I went to the cinema and...
What are you saying? ये पिक्चर एक बार बॉम्बे में रिलीज हो चुकी है? मुझे आज तक ये बात किसी ने बताई नहीं.
Telugu version. And then I went and saw it and called sir. The journey started. I'm thankful for sir, but it's a journey. Everybody, like you're working, everybody keeps growing. So.
Shahid, my second question is to you. From Padmavat, Kabir Singh, now Jersey. The next is with Ali Abbas.
बीच में बत्ती गुल भी आई थी. You can say it. I don't mind. Always be honest to yourself, bro.
So my question to you is, you have gone very commercial with your choices. If we look at it, is that a conscious move?
यार Kabir Singh was an adult film. Okay, first of all, Kabir Singh, when it Arjun Reddy, when it released in Andhra, the business was not very massive or something. Their films do 100 crore plus business. The business was very good for a newcomer film, right? I never choose films according to their commercial potential fundamentally. Of course, nobody wants to do a film that flops, but you tell a story really well. Now, if that story is more accessible, then it's obviously better because you can take that story wider. But I've also done stories that are less accessible in terms of Urta is a film about drugs in Punjab, and Heather was a film which was about the problem of the common Kashmiri man, so these are not things that everybody's going to be interested in. But you should always tell the stories that you really, really want to tell. I think Kabir went very wide in the Hindi, in the Hindi film fraternity. So we didn't really know how big it will connect. But I very strongly felt that I want to tell this story. I want to play this crazy character. I'm very excited to play this crazy character, And so I did it. Beyond that, how do you know? I mean, I don't know. I'm just doing things that really excite me. And of course, I'm very conscious and aware of the fact that I must try and do films which are more accessible. That's definitely something that I have learned to do more now, and very much after Kabir Singh, because there is a wide audience that has seen that film, and I want to give them a great story again, right? But I'm not trying to do the same kind of character again, trying to tell the same story again. That doesn't... मैं bottle बनाने नहीं आया, मेरे को wine में interest है. It should be something new as a character, it should be something new as a story. The reason I chose this film is because it is an extremely strong story with an extremely original, fresh character, and that to me is the right thing to do when you've played something as aggressive as Kabir Singh and as a film that is as loud as Kabir Singh. You cannot chase it. You must find something that is equally potent and put all your energy in that. I truly believe this film is very, very potent, and so I chose to do it.
Okay, we have time for two more questions.
Hi Shahid, towards your right. Hi Shahid. Can I ask?
Where's the question coming from? Can you just put your hand?
Hi Shahid.
One second. There's a question coming from here, Shahid, on the left.
Hi Shahid.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, hi Shahid. Hi, good evening everybody. Hi, this is Mayur here from Beyond Bollywood.
Mayur, where are you? I'm sorry.
Hi,
Mayur. Yeah. Thanks.
Wonderful trailer, and Gautam, I haven't seen the original, but I've read about the film. The one word which struck with me about the film, it's that it's about a late bloomer. So my question is for Gautam, Ronal, and Shahid. In the ever populated world where the emphasis is always on hiring youth, how difficult it is for a person in his mid 30s or 40s who's not been successful in the early part of his career, for them to meet this late bloomer. So can each one of you, starting from Gautam, Ronal, and then Shahid, could you give your perspective on this? Thank you.
Sure. Thanks for that question. The true idea behind the story when I wrote the story 6 years back was we always draw inspiration from success of people. I mean, whether it's a successful person or a successful event, we always draw inspiration from them. And for me, the true inspiration should come from their effort, that spirit to be successful rather than the success. So that's how the idea of the story started. And these people who really try hard to be successful or really try to do something in their lives are all around us. I mean, it could be a father, it could be the person who drives you to work, it could be a sister, it could be a friend. So my basic idea is to tell the story of all these people who are around us, and their success is not being celebrated. So this story is that celebration of human spirit to be successful rather than clapping for the successful people. So that's the basic idea behind the story.